Hello! Today you are going to learn how to make caramel atole, a delicious, silky, sweet, comforting beverage that is great to drink with tamales or pan dulce. How you doing? I'm Silvia from MamalaTinaTips.com. Welcome to my kitchen. If you like my pumpkin atole video that you can find right here, you are going to like this one as well. It is also a very easy recipe with just 4 ingredients that you can find anywhere in the world and is ready in less than 15 minutes. A lot of families are already planning menus for Christmas, New Year's, or Las Posadas, and I'm sure that they're gonna be tamales. This is a beverage that goes so well with it, especially if they are spicy. So how about we start making it?
Let's start putting 4 cups of milk into a medium pot. Add 1 big cinnamon stick and warm over medium heat. Please keep an eye on it. It can heat faster than you think. While the milk is warming up, spread half a cup of sugar on the surface of a medium skillet over medium-high heat. Let it start for a few seconds until you start seeing that the sugar is caramelizing. At this point, begin to stir the sugar with a wooden spoon. You will notice the sugar will start forming like small rocks. No worries. Keep stirring and watch as the little rocks dissolve and it becomes a very clear amber colored syrup. But as soon as the caramel forms, it's ready. Please take it off the heat as soon as possible because it can burn quickly. Take a cup of the warm milk and carefully pour the milk over the caramel, stirring constantly. You will notice a lot of bubbling as the caramel solidifies upon contact with the milk. Don't worry, just keep stirring and it will dissolve. When the caramel is completely dissolved, pour it over the rest of the warm milk. Dissolve 4 tablespoons of cornstarch into 1 cup of cold milk. When the milk starts boiling, add the cornstarch and continue stirring for about 5 minutes. This is important. If you stop stirring, usually the milk and the caramel will stick to the bottom of the pot, and you don't want that. After 5 to 6 minutes, you will notice that the atole takes on a smoother, only slightly thicker consistency. Turn off the heat, pour the atole through a sieve to remove any pieces of cinnamon stick. Let it rest for 10 minutes and enjoy.
Didn't I tell you that it was an easy recipe? If you like this tutorial, give us a like and share with your family and friends. If you have a favorite flavor that you would like me to try, let us know in the comment section below. And if you like more recipes and tips, visit us at MamalaTinaTips.com. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, you know what to do. Red button and notification bell. Here are more recipes for you, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!